I could be the villain in the story, you know.
Has anything compared to the pressure of walking out and seeing that, plethora of microphones?
I tell you, I really don't think so, looking back. I've said it 2 or 3 times. God brings things into your life that shape you for different reasons, whether it was losing my mom or, just all these things make us who we are. And, I always tell people in my obituary, whether my family does or not, somebody will say something about the Susan Smith case, So I'm glad at least people think I acquitted myself well. Could be worse. I could be the villain in the story,
Do you see any scenario where Susan will ever be granted parole?
I would be greatly surprised unless the day came where David Smith just didn't want to deal with it anymore, from a personal family life standpoint. But what has given him his strength is, advocating for Michael and Alex. I mean, he said, which is kind of a combination of talking and prayer. He said he talks to Michael and Alex about, what he's doing and where he's going, and I respect that. That's where he's found a way to cherish their memory and keep himself strong at the same time.
And that's a side to it that's very real that the general public doesn't hear about or see
Right.
about. Is constantly, a painful reminder for them to